how to use version history in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, by using version history, you can see the changes that you made throughout the document from the very beginning you started the document. So, I'll show you how you can do it. Let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then go to the Google Docs where you want to view the version history. Then go to the file option on the top left, and then you'll see version history right here. Go ahead and tap on see version history, and then a tab will pop up on the right side and you can see the changes that you have made. You can see from the very beginning. So the document was created on September 14. So if I tap on it, you can see that the document was like this. It was blank on September 14, and on 10:22 a.m. This are the changes that I made. So if you want to restore this version, you can just tap on restore this version, and you can work on the previous the version of the document that was created on September 14. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.